Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Dr. Usman. We are from PSYC 2314 Physiological Psychology from Section 1. We are going to present on the role of serotonin and dopamine in motivation-based activities.
In recent years, the field of neurobiology and motivation has attracted a lot of attention, especially in the light of role neurotransmitters play in influencing a wide range of motivation-based activities. Serotonin and dopamine are two neurotransmitters that have drawn increasing attention from researchers to understand how their function and interaction underpin various motivational states and behavior. This interest arises from the critical impact that these neurotransmitters play in emotional regulation, cognitive function, and the brain's reward system, all of which are necessary to maintain motivation for prolonged effect and focused activities. According to Cook and Arkino 2016, motivation is the process of starting and maintaining goal-directed behavior, and for many years, researchers has been interested in the concept of motivation.
The prefrontal cortex and the striatum are the brain areas that are involved in motivation. Dopamine-related neurotransmitters cover motivation in the prefrontal cortex, and it permits more complex motivational strategies. We are less likely to deviate from a task when we understand why we are doing it and the reward for finishing it. Insufficient amounts of dopamine cause us to feel lifeless, struggle to start or finish tasks, have trouble to focusing, run out of energy, and lack motivation. On the other hand, serotonin is essential for a happy mood and plays a critical role in regulating our emotion. An imbalance in serotonin is one of the most frequent causes of mood disorder, speech, condition that significantly diminish motivation and productivity. In the reinforcement and control mechanism that underlie choice behaviors, dopamine and serotonin most likely have complementary roles rather than antagonistic ones. Therefore, a complete picture of motivational states is provided by the interaction between the dopamine and serotonin system. While dopamine drives the pursuit of reward, serotonin helps to maintain balance and prevent excessive stress. So, the importance of conducting this study is to give a deeper understanding by consolidating and synthesize of existing research findings on how serotonin and dopamine influence motivational states and behavior. Now, let's take a look at a few scenes to see how the neurotransmitter of dopamine and serotonin influence motivation.
Physiological, sleepiness, circadian rhythm.
Isha, wake up. You cannot study like this. You should go sleep in your bed.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Studying is very important, but I guess my bed seems like a much better idea right now. Thank you, Shada.
You're welcome.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I would like to talk about something that really important for us, especially students, that we actually have experienced before, that actually relates with our own study. So there is a study, according to Azimi et al. 2020, a study aimed at examining that how lack of sleep and the related sleepiness actually affect people's motivation in performing various activities, which for me it provides some interesting insights. So in the study, they found that increased levels of sleepiness significantly enhance engagement in sleep-motivating behaviors such as resting and shutting our eyes over social and physical activity. This means that when we are sleep deprived, our bodies prioritize behaviors that prepare us for sleep by reducing our motivation to engage in other activities such as study. Interestingly, the study also found that sleepiness had no measurable effect on increasing hunger or changing food choices of our own. So this indicates that while sleepiness strongly motivates us to rest, it doesn't necessarily impact all our behaviors equally. So the study actually acknowledges sleepiness as a variable motivating state that promotes sleep to the detriment of other activities. So this helps explain some of the health hazards related to sleep loss, as our decreased motivation to be active and social can actually lead to a less healthy lifestyle overall. Understanding the balance between motivation and sleep is actually very crucial, especially for students. So by getting enough rest, we can actually improve our productivity and overall well-being. So next time when we are struggling to keep our eyes open while studying, we need to remember that sometimes the best thing we can do for our motivation is to get a good night's sleep. So that is all from me. See you!
I don't get it. Why I can be motivated like them? I want to keep it up, but I don't know how.
Jannah, did you feel tired?
Yeah.
Here, drink some water first. This is why you need to know the role of serotonin and dopamine to know why you are being tired and not motivated like them. So, I will explain in the video what is the role of serotonin and dopamine.
Okay, so dopamine is a neurotransmitter in the brain that plays a crucial role in reward and motivation. When we exercise, dopamine level in the nucleus accumbens increase and it enhances our motivation to continue. And so, fatigue during exercise can be linked to another neurotransmitter, which is serotonin. Serotonin increases serotonergic activity and it can lead to feelings of lethargy and reduced motivation. High serotonin levels during intense exercise can decrease dopamine level and it leads to central nervous system fatigue. This is why balancing the intensity and duration of our workout can help manage this effect. Regular and moderate exercise can enhance dopamine signaling and keeping us motivated without excessive fatigue.
Do you know there's a theme in your brain called dopamine, and it's like messengers that tell your brain what to do, and it's really important because it helps you to make decision whether you need to stop it or keep eating. So this theme of dopamine messengers is made special places in your brain, which is midbrain. So once the dopamine messengers are met, they will travel into another part of your brain, which is ventral striatum. So this area is the place where your brain decides if it really wants something. So when the dopamine messengers get into the ventral striatum, they make you really want to eat even if you're not hungry. So when you feel like you need to eat a lot of food, it's because these dopamine messengers keep telling your brain to keep eating more and more. So they are like the bosses of your food craving, which is they can make it you really hard to say no to eat all those tasty treats.
This is all from us. Thank you.
Why you need